Hey everybody, and welcome to Technology and Toys. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the NuTorch from NuVending. This is a multifunctional flashlight. It's an LED flashlight, it's a Bluetooth speaker, it has a built-in microphone, and you can also use this as a 2600 milliamp hour power bank. You get two color choices from gold or black. I have the black one, and I don't know if it's just me or if it's the Amazon listing or whatever, but gold kinda looks a bit more orange, and in the emails that were exchanged between me and Roy, he referenced this, the gold color as orange. So orange / gold and black are your choices. And then on the back you get a look at what it's capable of. You have a power / play button, you have volume up and down, flashlight on and off, and then basically everything that we just talked about on the front. So let's open it up, and first thing we see is this little carrying sack to put everything in. But it unzips, you can put everything in there, put that off to the side. There's this little thing of tissue paper, and inside of it is like a belt clip or like a visor clip for your car, and then the flashlight fits in there. Take a look at that in a second. You also get a mount for your bike. It unscrews and you can stick the flashlight in there. Flashlight itself, but we'll take a look at that in a second. You have a USB-A to USB-A cable. This is what this charges through, and then underneath it you get a little bit of literature on operating instructions and everything that it can do. I'm going to put all of that back in here for right now. Put that off to the side, and then let's take a look at the light itself. We have the light here, it's the buttons, it says MultiSpeaker on the back. The bigger end is the speaker, the smaller end is the light. The light is actually pretty powerful. I mean, I don't know how to gauge lights, but it's pretty bright. You have this little hole right here, that's your microphone. This little LED strip turns on if you have it paired or if you have the light on. And then if you pull this end off, you can see this is where you charge both the flashlight and any other device that you have plugged into it. I'm going to put that back on for right now though. I have my phone over here. I'm going to go to settings and to Bluetooth. To pair it, you press and hold.
Power on. Enters pairing mode.
And it will very clearly say that it's entering pairing mode. And then down here on the phone it says MultiSpeaker.
Connected.
And then it connects to the flashlight. So if I press play, it's not the greatest speaker, but I mean, you kind of have to expect it from something that's like this small. And then just for comparison, here are my iPhone's internal speakers. And you do get some multimedia controls, so if I double press the minus button, it skips forward a track. If I double press plus, it'll skip back to the last song. If you press and hold, it activates Siri. What's the weather outside?
Weather coming up. It's currently raining and 71 degrees in Douglas.
And then to charge your device, you just press the flashlight button, and it starts charging whatever you have plugged into it. Now, I haven't used this little guy for much other than stumbling around my room in the middle of the night and making sure I don't break my foot. But as far as it goes for a flashlight, I like it. As far as it goes for a speaker, for its size, I like it. It's obviously not going to be the loudest, it's not going to be the clearest, it's not going to have the deepest bass. That's purely limited by size. You can pick this little guy up on Amazon right now for 20 bucks. I'll have the link down in the description. Definitely go check it out. As I said before, there's a black and a gold/orange color. Guys, that's all for this video. If you liked this video and you also like this kind of content, be sure to leave a like on this video, as well as subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload my next video. And until then, goodbye.